Hey, this will be a video chart on SNEY. Did this one last week sometime, and today volume came roaring back in, as you can see right there, and the price reacted very nicely with it. Did get some profit takers that stepped in, but at the end of the day, it did close above a key level of resistance, which is always a good thing anyway you want to slice it. So the chart definitely made progress today and got off to a great start to the week. So we'll see what happens these remaining 4 days, but I don't think you could really ask for a better way to kind of kick off a new week. So these lines you see here are just simply from the last time I did the video. If you go back and search through my videos and you find the SNEY one, then you can watch that one if you want and get an idea of why these lines were drawn the places they were. But things need to be updated now with the way the price action stuff happened today. The first update is not necessarily an update, but I am just going to draw this line out a little bit more to show that this uptrend line is still intact. And once more, if you go back and watch the previous video, you'll see what I meant and why I drew this uptrend line here. But the trend that was established in early October remains in place, and it just became even stronger because now the further the price separates from it, the stronger this trend becomes in the overall scheme of things. Now this level right here was a key level of support, and it did a great job of holding. You can see multiple times the price came down here and tested this level, so that did a good job of providing support. I'm just going to get rid of this one now, and that level is going to be replaced by these two moving averages right here. If you look, we have this orange line and the purple line basically converging right together. This orange line is the 200-day simple moving average. This purple line is the 50-day simple moving average. If you're familiar with technical analysis, these two are basically the most famous technical moving averages out there. And right now they're both, I think, for argument's sake, they're both valued at 0.0067. So that's going to be the new area of support that we'll want to keep our eyes on, is going to be this 0.0067 area. So put in there as a new level of support. And then also this level here, which was a key resistance up at 0.0085, was broken today and closed above. So this is also now a new area of resistance. I'm going to make that a skinny green line because ideally this would be a level that we want to see hold. But if it doesn't hold, nothing to freak out about, because we still do have these moving averages and then our trend line down here providing support. But if you were to ask me what would be the best case scenario for the chart, I'd say, well, it'd be great if this 0.0085 could hold. But if it doesn't, like I said, it's not like there aren't any other support levels below you. Now for resistance, I'm pretty sure I see right where it bounced off. I'm not exactly, but if I grab these two lows, let's see how close the high was to getting up there and hitting those. So if I drop that down a little bit more, didn't quite hit it. See, these lows over here were at 0.012, and today's high was at 0.0117. So close, but not quite. But this level is going to be the new area of resistance, and the reason that's the case is if we look back here, it was a previous area of support. 2 days in a row the price bounced off of there, and then when it did fall here, you can see the price basically just fell apart. So this level is going to be a new area, or the new area of resistance that will be the next kind of battleground that the bulls need to push through. And after that, things even thin out even more. But one step at a time, let's first see if the price can get up here above this 0.012 area and put in some closes above, like it did down here above 0.0085. So overall, the chart's looking very well, or very good, and did a great job of kicking off Monday with a nice bullish day. So it'll be very interesting to see how the rest of this week shapes up. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with the newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setup, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together with our alerts, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was SNEY. Thanks for listening.